Here I'm going to be making chicken tinola, which is a Filipino recipe, and here are the ingredients. I have chicken pieces, sili, which is hot pepper leaves, papaya, onion, garlic, and ginger. First, you're going to want to heat oil in a pot and add your garlic, onion, and ginger and saute that till brown. Add the chicken pieces and cook until browned. Once browned, add water enough to cover the chicken. Bring that to a boil, then cover and simmer for about 30 minutes or until the chicken's tender. Add the papaya, stir that in, and cook until soft but not mushy. Once the papaya is cooked, add the fish sauce and season to taste. And finally, right before you turn off the stove, add your sili leaves or hot pepper leaves that you find at an Asian market and stir that in. And there you have it, chicken tinola served over rice.